Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a landscape poster using your Canva. So here I've already opened my Canva and I don't want to create it from scratch. So I'm going to just use a template in Canva and I'm going to first find it by typing the keyword landscape poster and click on enter. And after this, Canva will provide you with lots of templates that you can easily use. You can also filter it by category. You can see this little box right here. So for example, I'm going to change the category into marketing about marketing poster. Let's click on posters. And after that, Canva will refresh the result with your filter, the filter that you add. Okay, so now you can just find one that you want to use related to your needs, of course. For example, here I'm going to use this coming soon poster. So click on the poster that you want to use, and after that you can click on the customize this template. So after the template is open, you can just make a few changes based on your brand. For example, if you are using it for your marketing, here I'm going to change the color theme of the poster. So just click on the elements that you want to change. For example, I'm going to change the background color. Click on the color and choose the color that you want. I'm going to use my brand colors in here. For example, you can also use it for the other elements here. Okay, I'm going to change it into other color like this. So you can just adjust it to your liking. After you are done, you can download it, download the poster. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the notifications. Bye.